This, do this.
Sesame seed.
Already it's gonna be good.
Oh, wow.
I want to try. Try it again.
Clockety, clockety, clock.
Try it.
Mexican food. Tortilla. Lovely.
Someone else put some onion in now. Put some onion in.
Tasty.
This, do this. Bang.
Wait, come on. You need 2 spoons, right? 2 spoons. What for?
I want to try. Try it again. Why?
Sesame seed. Sugar. Oh, wow. One more. Okay, let's see. Yeah, excellent. Everything is right?
Already it's gonna be good.
Yeah, fish is good for you. See, she's speaking English and Spanish.
So many. How many do you think?
Clockety, clockety, clock.
She is so cute.
Go.
Oh,
Oh.
2 sounds.
Try it.
Letter E.
Last one.
E.